What's up friends, and welcome to this video. Today I will show you how you can set up MACD or not on TradingView. Friends, open any chart on TradingView, for example this one, BTC and USDT, and then just wait. From the here go to indicator directly, and from the search for MACD, and then click this one. As you can see here, this is a setup from here, and you can go to setting from here, and from this one you can set up your input. Fast length, you have fast length and slow length and MACD length. You can change any one. You can see here you have properties here. You can set up initial capital and base currency. You can choose this currency from here. You have order size. You can set up your order size and quantity. You have style. You can also set up your style from here, for example this MACD, this one option. And you can go back from here. You can set up visibility. You have ticks and you have seconds, minutes, hours, day. You can change the region from here, guys, as you can see here, and you can set up easily. This is based 9, 10, plus 10. This all indicator easily to set up. This is how you can do, guys. I hope this video helpful for you. Don't forget to give like and share this video.